Did you know that your gut is often called your second brain? Crazy, right? But it's not just a nickname. It's because your gut and your brain are in constant conversation with each other. And that conversation can have a huge impact on your mood, stress, memory, and even your risk of certain mental health conditions. So today we're diving into the fascinating world of the brain-gut microbiota axis. Don't worry, I'll break that down step by step in a way that actually makes sense. By the end of this video, you'll understand how your gut bacteria can shape your brain health and what you can do to support it. So what is the gut-brain axis? Think of it like a two-way superhighway between your gut and your brain. On one side, you've got the gastrointestinal tract, basically your whole digestive system. And on the other side, you've got your central nervous system, aka your brain and spinal cord. And they don't just text each other once in a while. Nope, they're constantly sending messages through your nervous system, your hormones, and even your immune system. This means what happens in your gut doesn't just stay in your gut. It can directly affect your mood, memory, and mental well-being. Now here's where it gets wild. Living inside your gut are trillions of microbes, mostly bacteria. Collectively, they're called the gut microbiota. And these little guys aren't just hanging out. They're actively producing chemicals that talk to your brain. Let's look at a few ways that they do this. Neurotransmitter production. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that help nerve cells communicate. And get this, your gut makes a ton of them. Serotonin, often called the happy hormone, about 95% of your serotonin is made in your gut. Certain bacteria like lactobacillus strains can even boost serotonin production. GABA, this one helps calm stress and anxiety. Probiotics like Lactobacillus plantarum have been shown to increase GABA levels. Dopamine, the motivation and pleasure chemical. Your gut plays a major role in how much dopamine gets produced. So yeah, your gut literally helps decide if you're in a good mood or not. Inflammation and brain health. A balanced gut microbiota helps regulate your immune system and keep inflammation under control. But when things get out of balance, something called dysbiosis, harmful bacteria, can trigger inflammation. That inflammation can then release molecules called cytokines, which can negatively affect brain health. Chronic inflammation has even been linked to depression, anxiety, and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. For example, certain HMOs like 3SL and 6SL help with nerve protection and cognitive development. They feed beneficial bacteria that then produce compounds like butyrate, which strengthens the gut lining and reduces inflammation. This is why some scientists are calling HMOs potential psychobiotics, a cool term for probiotics or prebiotics that directly benefit mental health. Supporting mental health through gut health, practical tips. Okay, so what can you actually do with all of this information? Here are a few easy ways to support your gut-brain axis starting today. Eat more fiber. Foods like bananas, onions, garlic, and chicory root are natural prebiotics. Include probiotic-rich foods. Yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and miso are all excellent sources. And consider supplements. Psychobiotic supplements with probiotics or HMOs are an emerging option for supporting mood and cognition. Reduce stress, because stress itself can negatively affect your gut microbiota. Practices like meditation, walking, or journaling can help. Get quality sleep. Poor sleep harms your microbiota, and in turn, that affects your brain. So to sum it up, your gut and your brain are deeply connected through something called the gut-brain axis. The trillions of microbes in your gut produce neurotransmitters, regulate inflammation, and protect your gut lining, all of which directly affect your mood, memory, and long-term brain health. By eating the right foods, prioritizing probiotics and prebiotics, and supporting your gut barrier, you're not just helping your digestion, you're actually investing in your mental health and cognitive function too. As research grows, I think we'll see gut-targeted therapies become a key strategy for supporting mental well-being. So the next time you think about brain health, don't forget to think about your gut. If you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And subscribe for more content on gut health and mental wellness. Your second brain will thank you.